World War II, also known as the Second World War, was a global war that lasted from 1999 to 1945. Although related conflicts began early, the vast majority of the world's countries, including all of the great powers, eventually formed two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis. It was the most global war in the story. It directly involved more than 100 million people from over 3 countries in a state of total war. The major participants threw their entire economic, industrial, and scientific capabilities behind the war effort, blurring the distinctions between civilian and military resources. World War II was the deadliest conflict in the human story, marked by 50 or 85 million fatalities, most which were civilian in the Soviet Union and China. It included massacres and genocide of the Holocaust, tragic bombing, starvation, diseases, and the first uses of the nuclear weapons in the history. The exact day of the starting of the Second World War was the 1st of September of 1999 and lasted till the 2nd of September of 1945. Some of the locations were in Europe, in the Pacific, in the Atlantic, China, and the Middle West, and more. And some of the results were the collapse of the Nazi Germany, the fall of Japanese and Italian empires, the dissolution of the League of Nations, the creation of the United Nations, and the beginning of the Cold War. Some commanders of the Allied power was Joseph Stalin, Franklin Roosevelt, Winston Churchill, and Chiang Kai-shek. And in the Axis power was Adolf Hitler, Hirohito, and Benito Mussolini.